Hey guys, we're doing a peel today on Misty. We wanted to do a peel today because there's a lot of myths regarding chemical peels and we want you to not be afraid of them. Just a couple of things I wanted to go over with you is after a peel you're able to put on your makeup. We just want you to avoid exercise after having one just for a few hours. The next morning would be fine to exercise. But really there's no restrictions after having a peel, and we wanted to show you that you're barely even red after a peel. Alright, we're going to get started. So I've already prepped Misty's skin, I've washed it and prepped it, and now we're going to be applying the actual peel. I'm going to start here on her forehead and then work my way down. How are you doing, Misty?
Great. What areas can you do a peel on?
You can do peels on face, neck, chest, arms, back, legs even. We treat peels for patients that have back acne, or peels can be used for sun damage, uneven skin tone, rosacea. They can be used for, just skin rejuvenation, sloughing off all that dead unwanted skin to recreate new healthy skin cells. They help to stimulate growth factors in the skin, which are great for anti-aging. So it's very beneficial for everyone. So I'm just kind of going over certain areas again just to make sure I got it everywhere on Misty. And as you can see, she's developing a frost, which is what we want to see. That's a good end point for us. So when I'm applying the peel, it can feel pretty intense at first. It just feels very tingly, very warm. But after 2 minutes or so, you'll start to notice that the peel is subsiding and you're not feeling it as much. And now I'm just going to let it sit on Misty's skin just for a few minutes. How are you doing?
So far, so good.
So
not bad at all.
Good. As you can see, she's just getting a little bit of redness in certain areas, and she's developing a frost all over.
How long will she stay red for?
She might stay red for 15 to 30 minutes after the peel, but a lot of times when we put the peel neutralizer on and use some calming products, usually right afterwards they look back to normal. So today she can leave here, put on makeup, go out for dinner with her friends or family. They wouldn't know she had it done. And then, in 2 to 3 days, she might have what we call the non-visible peeling, where you can't see the peeling, but it's coming off when you're cleansing. Or she can experience some peeling, dry, flaky skin that you would have during the winter time, or she might have a little bit more peeling in problem areas. But it all, varies from visit to visit what type of peeling you might have, or it depends on the strength of the chemical peel.
How often do you want people to come in for one?
We recommend a series of 6. You would come in for appointment once every 4 to 6 weeks, and then we encourage you to maintenance those. 1 treatment every 3 months to help maintain those appearance that we achieved with the chemical peel. After the chemical peel is done today, we do send our patients home with a post-peel kit, It's just different samples that you use the next 5 to 7 days after a peel. They're nice and gentle. We send you home with a gentle cleanser, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen to use. And then we also send you home with a exfoliating polish, just to help remove any dead skin that the peel had created. How are you doing?
Wonderful. I can't even feel it anymore.
Good. It looks really good. So in just a few seconds, I'm going to be neutralizing her chemical peel. So what I'll be using now is called a peel neutralizer. This stops the peel from reacting. So we need to use this, that way it's not still going strong in her skin. And this also helps to calm down the skin. It helps with any remaining tingling, a little bit of that burning sensation. It makes the skin feel very cool and calm. How's that feeling, Misty?
Good, really good.
Good. Do you have
Nice
any?
and cool.
Okay, great. Do you have any remaining hot spots at all?
Not at all.
Okay, wonderful. It always feels so good to have these done. Your skin just feels so clean afterwards and healthy. Okay, so now I'm just going to use some cool compresses, again, just to help calm the skin down even more. Help with the redness. So we do have all different strengths of chemical peels, and we decide what peel we're going to use on you based on how healthy your skin is and if you've had a chemical peel done before or not, and where you are in your series and what your concern is. We really like to customize it to your skin to give you the best results. This is just the last pass that I'm going to go over with the cool compress. And then I'll be putting on some post-treatment products. So as you can see, the redness is already subsiding. And her skin is very calm. A lot of our peels can be done over lunchtime. If you ever want to just stop by on your lunch break, you can always schedule one then. So the first post-treatment product I'll be putting on Misty's skin is called Phytocorrective Gel. It's a complexion calming agent, and it just helps with the redness and it helps to soothe her skin.
And it smells good.
It does.
It does smell good. The next product I'll be putting on her is a epidermal repair cream. It's like a moisturizer.
Someone just asked, what is the cost for a peel?
The cost per peel is $137. We do have packages of peels. Since we do recommend 6 peels, if you purchase a package of 6, you can get 20% off. So you're saving more than a free peel.
And what's the special for the month?
So we are running a special for October. The special is $99 for a chemical peel. It's a great way to get started if you've never had one and wanted to see what it's like, or even if you're a long-time patient and want to try something new. And lastly, I'm going to be putting sunscreen on Misty. Chemical peels are perfectly safe to have done during the summer, but just make sure you're wearing your sunscreen and reapplying it with prolonged sun exposure. So sunscreen should be reapplied every 90 minutes while you're out in the sun. Your lip there, so
That's okay.
You need some protection too. Let me just sweep that off of your lip. So that's it. If you guys have any questions or concerns, just leave us comments and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Hope this answers a lot of your questions.